Huh? Happy? Happy. Oh, happy. But auntie not happy because have poo over here. You see that? Near the toilet. A lazy cat. And the lazy is here, waiting the food. Huh? The whole day sleeping? And then, poo on the floor? How lazy you are. Don't kiss auntie. You poo again on the floor. No!